Hello everyone, I am Rohit. I, on behalf of Sierra Society, would like to welcome all the teachers to one of the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform of India, ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiative. Here, we will be discussing about new and innovative techniques for the different lessons from our chapters, and in short, we will learn how to make the whole process of learning fun and interesting for the kids. Today, the chapter that I'll be covering is from Class 5 NCERT Board. Subject is Environmental Studies, and the name of the lesson is known as Mangoes Round the Year. The innovation that I'll be using here for covering this lesson is known as homework, that is, experiential learning from the environment or from the surroundings. The main innovation behind this idea is to make the students revise the concepts that have been taught in the lesson with, by connecting with the immediate environment or through different hands-on experience. The duration for this activity will be as per requirement, and the important concepts that we will be covering with the help of this innovation are learning about the difference between spoiled food and fresh food, learning about the different processes of different seasonal foods, and learning about the process of spoilage of food, and learning about the importance of preservation. We make the students do the following activities. First of all, we give the first activity will be based on learning about the difference between fresh food and spoiled food. We ask the students to go to their home, to go to the kitchen at home, and ask their mother or any elder for a fresh cooked meal, for small amount of fresh cooked meal. And by observing the fresh cooked meal, they will write the following observations on their notebook based on the following traits, that is, based on the color, how it looks, how it smells like, how it tastes like, and uh, and by looking observing the pattern of it. We ask them to note down against the following traits of the fresh food. We also make it a point to tell the students to consume the food after observing, so that it will help in developing the importance of not to waste food. Once they are done with it, the second activity will be based on learning about the spoiled food. We again ask them in the same chart against the parameters. They will also look right for the spoiled food. We tell them to ask for tell them to ask their elders for any kind of spoiled food that is there, or anything which needs to be thrown away. Ask them that to their from their elders, and observe the same traits, just like the ones they've observed for the fresh food, and write those beside that the column of fresh food. Once they are done with it, we tell them another activity to learn about the different seasonal foods. We ask them to do the following activity with the elders. We ask them to go to the kitchen and write down the all the foods that are available in the kitchen, and then they will make a categorization of the foods that are available, that is, the foods that can get spoiled in 2 to 3 days. The food, then second category could be the food that can get spoiled in a week, and third, the food that can get spoiled within a month. They will categorize all the food items under these categories, and the next day in the class we will discuss about the different seasonal foods that they've written, and then we initiate a discussion. We ask them that can we consume this food in other seasons? If you want to consume these foods in other seasons, what can we do? Or are these foods available in all the seasons? Or what are the other kinds of foods that are available in other seasons? We discuss all these questions with the students. Next, we will focus on giving the students an understanding about or revising the concept of expiry date. We tell them to do the following activity. We ask them to go to their home, get a packet of bread, and consume it, and make the and observe the following traits from the bread by its color, how it smells like, how it tastes like. We ask them to write the following traits, and then we ask them to put a piece of bread in a plastic bag, and again keep on observing for a few days and write about the changes that they have seen in the bread, and show the observation to bring the observation to in the class once they see changes. Next, to learn about the preservation, we ask the students to go to their home, and with the help of their elders, we ask them to write about the different preservative processes that their family uses for preserving different raw materials like mangoes, carrots, lemon, etc. Maybe they can use drying for papar or pickling for achar and so on based on whatever they are doing. And when they bring the all the content in the class, we start discussing with all the other students what they have brought, and it also and this develops a process of sharing among the students. And when we start giving the students homework in this way, activity based homework, which is conceptual based, and the things which they are learning in this way, they're easily relating the things that they have learned in the class to their day-to-day life. And when you start teaching the students in this way, apart from learning about the lesson, they develop a lot of other things. It helps in development of critical thinking and decision making process in the students. Secondly, when the students will be taking help from the parents for finding out different answers or communicating with their parents, it will help in the development of interpersonal skill and communication skills among the students. Apart from this, they will also learn how to write few things in English, and also in the classroom when they'll come back and share it with their fellow friends, it will also develop the value of importance of sharing with the friends. And for this innovation, this idea, that's all. I hope you like this video, and I want all of you to make your all the homeworks that you give to your students fun and interesting and innovation, and all the homework should be related to concepts. And for this idea, this innovation, that's all. If you like this video and you want more of such videos from us, please do like, share, and subscribe to our official channel, ZIIEI.